Good morning, everybody. This is Mark from M&M Lofts here in Hudson, Florida, with the Dixie Tippler Club. Just a little video. Today is September 15, 2011. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. Just going to give my birds a little food here just to get them going. First section is my New York flying flights. I do have some other birds other than the tipplers. Couple of turbans. Come on, guys. Come on. I got the New York flying flights. Most of my family bloodline of yellows, caps. Got a couple of red tigers in there, yellow tigers. I got a solid red. And my family of white flying flights. That's Mama right there, little hen cap. That's the cockbird. That's the pair right there. White flying flights. The cock is a plain head. Hen is a white cap. And the other three there are her young. And then the yellow tigers, the red tigers, the red, that's all one family. That's all related. Brothers and sisters. The red tiger right there is the mother, the hen bird, and the yellow right next to her is the cock bird, and they gave me the yellow tigers, red tigers, and reds. And then there's a pair of yellows. They gave me the rest of the yellows in here. That's the cock bird. These are just some of the babies. Alrighty. Second section is my Danes, and I got a couple of racing homers in here. All the Danes here are black and dun Danes and black Danes, all one family. 3 different pairs. They give me duns. I think I got three or four duns in here all together. The rest are black, but they're all one family. Come on, guys. Got a pair of racing homers right there. Blue checker, Splash, and a red checker. That's a pair. And then I got a red checker, cockbird, and a blue bar hen. And that's a pair. Then I got a blue checker hen and a silver. That's a pair. And then a few stragglers around there. Come on. Give them a little food for a while. I'll let them out in the afternoon. A pair of my Danes. Cockbird. And that's the hen. We got a few other Danes there. There's the dun, my blacks. They're all pretty much marked good. There's actually no standard. Nobody wants to, or I shouldn't say nobody, but I'm trying to get them recognized as a breed. A beautiful pigeon. That's a young black cockbird I bred this year. Got the modeling on the wings and the V in the back. A couple more. I bred this black Dane last year. Nice bird, got the little V, a couple of markings on the wings, but that's okay because I made this to get them recognized. I guess I got to make a standard. So they're almost true to what actually the Dane coloring is, markings. There's another pair. I got a nice black cockbird, and I breed solid blacks, which is okay in my standard. The black one's a hen. That's the cockbird. That's a pair. That's a pair right there. As you can see, pushing her. And there's a dun model, dun Dane. I got another black. Not too much modeling on the wings, but he's got a little V in the back, which is okay. And here's another one I bred this year. He's got some good markings on him. He's okay. I got a few out on the screen. And that's a pair right there, that dun in the middle and the black. For the most part, my Danes are good. They're on the money. They're on point, just about. Another, my blue checker splash homer again, and the red checker. That's actually her baby, that red checker. This year's. Pair. Another pair. Another pair of Danes. I got a dun and a black. Dane made it. They give me one of each. I got a pair of blacks. They give me a dun and a black. I get a dun and a black. These guys give me blacks. And down here give me black and dun, which is not bad. I can't complain. One of each, hey, I think that's pretty good. That's my Danes. That's M&M Danes here in Hudson, Florida. Alright, my last section is my flying boys. These are my tipplers. Come on. My tipplers, blues, blue pencils, grizzles, dun grizzles. A friend of mine gave me a nice little red checker cockbird. Gary, thank you. He's the president of the Dixie Tippler Club. He's a blue ball of that I got from another friend in South Carolina, Robbie Cone. Thank you, Robbie. Nice little black model cockbird. I got it from a friend of mine, Joe Porch. May he rest in peace. He died, passed away. We miss him. Like a father to me. And I got a little red here. Little baby silver dun in the back. Little print grizzle. Another grizzle. Little dun grizzle check. Little black model hen. Black, another black solid I raised. Now let's see these guys can eat. No black model back there. These are my babies. Here's a young tippler I bred. Oh man, what you guys do? Black tippler, looks like it's gonna be a nice little. Looks like it's gonna be like a bronze, kind of a little bronze model or something. Let's come to the end. Cream bars and Isabellas. I got them all. M&M Lofts here in Hudson, Florida. Just a little thing in my videos. Have a good one. Take care.